Hello everyone, DreamWalker here, sponsored by Travel Companion, and figure I'd give an update right now. I am obviously at a hotel in somewhere a little bit past Shreveport because of this heavy rain all day yesterday and raining heavy today. Some freak storm coming across Dallas and Wichita all the way where we gotta go, so it's no fun driving with this in this kind of weather. So we're just gonna lay over till tomorrow and head out, do a long drive. Till then, yeah, keep you updated. I don't know, I might hit a casino tonight. There's a casino down the next exit past us. So anyway, till next time folks, like and subscribe. You can find the link to Travel Companion in the description below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get all videos. Any future videos will chime off. Leave your comments, hit your like buttons or dislike buttons, because YouTube algorithms like interaction. Thank you.